The common types of hardware and software. Every computer system consists of two parts, hardware and software. Hardware in computing refers to the externally visible parts of a computer, such as the display, CPU, input devices, etc. Software is a set of instructions that tell the hardware how to perform a certain set of tasks, as opposed to hardware, which is made up of actual components. This article gives you in-depth knowledge of the types of hardware and software you need to succeed as a computer software engineer. Types of hardware and software. Different types of computer hardware. Hardware is the collective name for a number of interconnected parts in a computer. A CPU, keyboard, mouse, speaker, display, printer, hard drive, and other mechanical devices make up this system. These gadgets can all be felt and touched. What are the types of hardware and software? There are many hardware options available, but to achieve the best performance we must choose the right option with the right specifications. The size, price, and specifications of each gadget vary. We must choose the appropriate option. Output devices. This machine transforms data into a form that can be understood by humans. Usually, these gadgets are used for display. The user sees the information as it is extracted from the computer. The most notable output device is the monitor. Input devices. These tools assist in supplying data to the computer. They provide file transfers between various devices and the computer, as well as the feeding of data such as text, photos, and sound. CPU. The most crucial part of a computer is the central processor unit, which is in charge of transmitting, receiving, and carrying out all data and instructions. It executes the instructions stored in the RAM. The instructions from the computer's software are carried out by the CPU's electrical circuitry. The CPU's cache memory may instantly process data. Storage of memory. A device on which data can be momentarily stored is a memory chip or hard drive. In learning, there are two different kinds of memory, primary and secondary. RAM and ROM. Two memory formats that are directly coupled to the CPU and run at extremely high speeds, make up primary memory. These memory bytes are used solely by the CPU. Hard drives and CD-ROMs are examples of secondary memory, which is a memory that is not directly attached to the CPU. Motherboard. Regarding types of hardware and software. The most important component of hardware is the motherboard, which works similarly to a circuit board. A printed circuit board is what it is. A socket on the motherboard is used for the central processor, or it is soldered to it. The open slots can be used to install memory modules. Bus data is stored as binary digits in a storage container called a register. To transfer data between registers, separate lines are needed, and these are called buses. The data bus is used to transfer data, while the address bus is used to transfer addresses and memory addresses. All components of the computer are connected by a bus that uses control signals to communicate with each other. Printer. Information that has been displayed on a computer screen can be printed and then transferred to paper using a piece of hardware called a printer. Size, processing speed, and other characteristics of the printers can be used to distinguish them. Different types of computer software. Computer software enables the computer to run programs to do tasks. Generally speaking, it is a language that computers can comprehend. What are the types of hardware and software? We come across a variety of software in the realm of technology that helps us live simpler lives and expand our businesses. Software is a crucial component of computer technology. We wouldn't be able to use our computers to access the internet if there wasn't web browser software. System software. Between the user and the computer. The system software acts as the transition layer. They control the CPU, memory, and other devices in addition to interacting with any computer hardware. System software is the first program that starts up when the computer is turned on, and thus it controls the entire computer system. System software is loaded into memory and runs continuously. Operating systems and utility software are the two main types of system software. An operating system comes with utility software. Both software is interdependent and cannot work alone. Compilers, editors, and drivers are a few examples of handy software. Software programming. Most of the time, computer programmers use this software. Programming languages like Java or PHP are used by the majority of web applications. All software programs and applications are created and tested using a programming language. Conclusion: the above are common types of hardware and software and related information about computer hardware and software. When using or working with computers, you should know this information so that you can fix